exponential growth and decay. General formula for exponential growth or decay is this formula right here. A is your final amount. C is your initial amount. R is the rate of increase or decrease. And it is the percent as a decimal. So make sure you are able to do that. This is a whole. So if you are adding, this is plus or minus. So if you're adding to the whole, you are growing. And if you are subtracting from the whole, you are decaying. So this is the growth and this is the decay. And time, and usually you need this in years. Okay, so if you have 6 months, use 0.5. So the T is in years. Have you ever seen this formula before? And what was it used for? You did, because this is how you do compound interest. But they do it slightly different, where this is A equals the principal of 1 plus the R to the T. That's an exponential growth, where this is your principal. And when I teach it in 8th grade, this is called your all, which is including your initial deposit plus any interest accrued, and it will calculate your all. Okay, the population of Johnson City has grown at a rate of 3.2%, 0.032. Make sure you are changing your decimals, your percents correctly. 10 years. If the population 10 years ago was 25,000, so this is initial. What is the population today? So this is A equals C, 1, I want growth, plus rate to the T, where my initial amount is 25,000. 1 plus 0.032, all to the 10th. You will calculate that in a calculator, and your population is now 34,256 people. My apologies, my puppy is in the background and found his toy and he's wrestling with it. Okay, number 2. A tractor has a depreciation rate. Depreciation means decay, means it's getting worse. 19% per year. If the original price of the tractor is $29,000, original price, what is the value 5 years later? A equals C times 1 minus R to the T, because we're depreciating it. Your tractor is having less and less. Just like a car, when you sell it later, it's a used car. And so this is 29,000 times 1 minus 0.19 to the 5th. Put that in your calculator, and that is $10,111.67. Make sure when you're doing these, you are making sure that they are in money format. Okay, we're back to review. Factor completely. There's a 3 in everybody, and there's an x squared in everybody. So 3x squared comes out, and that becomes 2x squared minus 7x minus 4. Two minus 4, negative 8. I need... They're the same, both negatives, negative. Woo. They're different. Bigger one is negative, and I need a positive. I need a negative 7. Negative 8 here, 1 and 1, 2 and negative 4. I have 3x squared times 2x plus 1 and x minus 4. Find the equation parallel to 2x plus 5y equals 15 and goes through. So some of you are finding the parallel, but you're not making it go through that point. So first of all, 2x plus 5y equals 15. I need it for slope-intercept because I need a slope. And so 5y equals negative 2x plus 15. Y equals negative 2/5 x plus 3. My slope is negative 2/5, and there's my point. So I want it y minus 3 equals point slope negative 2/5 x plus 5. And I want it in slope-intercept form, so y minus 3 equals negative 2/5, oh sorry, that's sloppy, 2/5 x minus 2. Add 3 to both sides. Y equals negative 2/5 x plus 1. Anytime they want you to have an equation, they're assuming you're either going to end up in slope-intercept form or standard form. This one, it was slope-intercept form. And that is your notes for 15-2, exponential growth and decay.